Moonlight Nana.
Hello everyone, I'm Moonlight Nana and this is my 33rd Medibang Paint Pro tutorial video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope it can help you start off your first step in your digital art journey. In the previous tutorial video, we started the topic of Medibang Cloud Service, in which I gave an introduction of the Medibang Cloud Service window. We are still in the same topic, and in this tutorial video, I will explain about how to submit an artwork to ArtStreet. Please remember that since we are still under the topic of Medibang Cloud Service, we will be needing an internet connection for this. If that's clear, then let's start. First of all, notice this front row of icons at the function bar. From this icon up to this one, this icon, okay, it relates to the Medibang Cloud and thus require internet connection to use. Let's check out the first icon. This is the Open Network Dialog. When you click on it, the Medibang Cloud Service window will appear. So if you need anything from this window, simply click on this icon and click on this icon. Alright. Now, I have already explained about this window in the previous tutorial video, so let's close this one. But if you want to know about the Medibang Cloud Service window, please check out the Medibang tutorial 32. Now, the second icon is the Submit to ArtStreet icon. Click this icon when you are ready to submit your artwork to your ArtStreet page. So, for example, I want to submit this logo illustration right here to my ArtStreet page. I'll simply click on the Submit to ArtStreet icon and then a small window will pop up to confirm if I want this artwork to be submitted to ArtStreet. If you think you're not ready to submit the current illustration, or if you need to change some things first, you may click Cancel. But in this case, I confirm to submit this illustration to ArtStreet, so I click OK. The Submit an Artwork window will appear where the illustration to be submitted is shown here, and the rest down here are the details you need to fill in before submitting the artwork. First of all is the title, in which you name the artwork. So I'll just type in this box here, Moonlight Nana Slayer logo. Okay. Then down here is the description where you'll tell what the artwork is about. So I'll just randomly type this is a tester logo. Then down here is the age restrictions condition. Tick one that suits you. That suits your artwork. If you're not sure which to click, you may click on this hyperlink down here to find out more. For this illustration, there is nothing harmful or unsafe things to look at, so I'll just click on I'll tick the all ages one. When you're done filling these basic details, you may click on the submit button down here. When you click the submit button, wait for a while as the illustration is being uploaded to your ArtStreet page. Since it is being uploaded to ArtStreet, obviously the web page to your ArtStreet will automatically be opened too. Okay, let's wait for a while. Now, this here will be the web page of your uploaded artwork. You have the title here, okay, and then the description down here, just like I typed down, Moonlight Nana Slayer logo, and then this is the tester logo. Okay, down here are the tags. If you want to add the tags or edit anything about this illustration, you may do so by clicking on this edit button. Alright, so there you have it. You have successfully submitted your artwork to ArtStreet. Let's go back here. Now, other than clicking the Submit to ArtStreet icon, which is this icon over here, you can also upload your artwork by going to the menu bar and then you click on the cloud item over here. The drop down menu will contain the item Submit to ArtStreet, which works the same just like just now. And then so there you have it. You've learned how to upload and submit your art illustration to ArtStreet using the Medibang cloud service. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video of Medibang Paint Pro. Please like this video and subscribe to Moonlight Nana channel or follow me on Facebook. And together we help each other out in our art journey. Have a blessed day ahead, everyone.